Meditation is medication. I, Dr. Neeta Chaudhary, will tell you about the benefits of meditation. Hi, mommy. You're pregnant, and pregnancy comes along with a lot of stress and anxiety. Meditation is a simple way to tune your mind. Now, let's see what is health. Health is basically physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being of an individual. Do you know? Negative emotions create chaos in your nervous system. Meditation does just the opposite. The positive emotions increase your brain's ability to take good decisions. And positive emotions increase your immunity, and it also has an effect on your physiological body. When you're very tense, when you're very frustrated, your heart rate goes up and down, which is not good for your health. When you convert the same situation into appreciation, your heart rate settles down at a particular level. So the body and mind are playing games. Do you know? The fetal heart is the first to form. The brain is formed later. So I always joke that we always think from our heart and later on we use our brain. Remember, pregnancy is not a disease. Not becoming pregnant is a disease. So that tension of being pregnant should just disappear. Now, do you listen to your body or do you listen to your mind? Most of the time, our mind is the winner. We know meditation is good for health. We know yoga is good for health, but we don't do it because the mind is saying, oh, today you must take rest. So meditation will teach you how to maintain a balance between your body and your mind. There are lots and lots of benefits of meditation. Now let's look at some of them. You will sleep better. You will connect to your body better. You will have anxiety relief. You will have peace of mind and you will have lesser tension. And remember, meditation is absolutely safe with no side effects. It restores your immunity. So now when your immunity is restored, automatically your body will function much better. With meditation, your pain tolerance will increase. That will make your body more comfortable during pregnancy and during labor as well. Meditation increases the endorphins. Those are the good hormones in your body. And these endorphins give you enough strength to bear the pain. And it increases your pleasure. I always say it is never labor pain, it is labor pleasure because you wanted to be a mother. So just meditation will change a shift in your thought process. And it will prepare you better for labor. And this will also reduce the risks of complications during delivery and also prevent postpartum depression. There was a research done by Dr. David Suzuki. He said that condensed molecules from breath exhaled from verbal expression of anger, hatred, and jealousy releases toxins. And when this was accumulated for a period of 1 hour, do you know it can kill up to 80 guinea pigs. So anger is self-poison and we expect someone else to die because of our anger. So just be careful. You'll have long-lasting effects of meditation on your baby, on yourself, on your husband, your family, and the society at large. It settles your body and mind. See, mind is basically full of emotions, and these emotions are causing an effect on our body. Negative emotions will damage our body, and meditation will cause a balance between the mind and the body. Meditation can help you cope with pregnancy stress, whether it is physical or emotional. And from pieces, you become at peace. And this is a simple treatment for mild to moderate anxiety. When to do pregnancy? Now let's see that. There is no time. There is no time duration. There is no place. anytime, any position. You can stand and meditate, you can sit and meditate, you can lie down and meditate. See, you would have noticed sometimes you just sit and gaze and you are blank. So we all have had the experience of meditation somewhere in life. When you look at something beautiful, a beautiful mountain, you go, wow. So whenever you are in that wow experience, you are in that meditative state. Best thing to do is when you are learning meditation, visit our iMums app, download our iMums app. We have lots of meditations in that. You must do little pranayam before settling down for meditation. There are varieties of meditations in our iMums app. Very simple, doable techniques. So please see there and start following our meditations. Remember, meditation is the medication. Where the mind goes, there goes the prana. So start meditating now. Download our iMums app. It is made only for you pregnant girls. Thank you and namaste.